Well, howdy y'all, and welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today I'm pretty excited. I got a package in the mail, and it's from my good buddy Ronnie from Southern Food Junkie. And I was having a talk with Ronnie about sweet tea. Now, he makes the best sweet tea down where he lives in Bowling Green. Well, I guess you probably think I'm going to say Kentucky. No, he's not from Kentucky. And for all you guys know, you've watched my channel a long time, Kentucky is my favorite state. It's the hillbilly state and the redneck state. You also have hillbilly and redneck, and it's very few states that actually have both at the same time. They're my kind of people. Okay, now Ronnie's from South Carolina, and we're just chewing the fat there a bit about one of his vids, talking about the best sweet tea in the world. And I told him, you know what, Ronnie, we make sweet tea up here in Canada. We don't make cold sweet tea, we make hot sweet tea. So he said, do you have a sweet tea maker? And I go, no, we just use a pot. So he says, I'm going to send you a sweet tea maker. And guys, this is it right here. I'm going to open it up in front of you, and I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you exactly how Canadians make sweet tea. We've been doing this for generations. Oh man, it's got to go back at least 500-600 years. And let's get to it right now. Okay, so first off, let's open up this box. I have no idea what a sweet tea maker is from South Carolina. And it's got some instructions here. Okay, got the bubble wrap. This is the sweet tea maker right here. Let's open her up. Okay, let's just pull this baby right out of here. Oh, I understand this right off the bat, guys. Wait till you check this out. Wait till you check this out. This is it right here. Yeah, this is the sweet tea maker right here. Nice little pour spout on it. Take a look, it's got a strainer inside. Okay, so let's get down to showing you how we make sweet tea in Canada. Okay, so it's very simple. The only thing that we do is we just get a lemon. Guys, we just take a whole lemon and just slice it up like this. You don't got to be specific on how thick it is or anything. And for you guys that are wondering, is Ronnie a hillbilly? Well, actually, no, Ronnie is technically not a hillbilly. He's got 3 more merit badges to go. But he's a terrific fella. He's a buddy of mine. And I'm going to put a link down below for Ronnie's channel if you'd like to check him out too. But all we do is we just put the lemon slices in there, or limes. We can't always get lemons in Canada or limes, so you got to grab whatever you can. And we just take 2 tea bags, and I'll get the water here. Here we go right here. Just put the water in like this. And the best thing about this sweet tea container is it's got a really nice strainer on the top here. I'd like to thank Ronnie for that. That's just terrific. See, before we just used a pot, and everything would be a mess. Now you can see how that will just be terrific. And that's how we make our sweet tea in Canada, and it's hot. Well, what do you think? Guys, this is just terrific. I'd like to thank my buddy Ronnie there for it. And you know what? If you guys want to know what Ronnie's recipe was, I'll tell you what. I couldn't find all the ingredients. We had baking soda, I couldn't find that, but the tea bags, and he puts in sugar, he doesn't put limes or lemon in. So that's pretty well it. Thanks for joining me here today. If you've never seen this channel before, well, you're welcome to subscribe. Come back again, let's have some more fun, and we're going to start drinking this sweet tea right now. Cheers.